Charlie's Pond, Joe's feeder. The completion of the dam removal, habitat restoration. And buddy, I tell you, compare this before and after. It's amazing the flow from this body of water here. I'm gonna get out there now, see if I don't get washed away. It's hard to stand up here. That's a massive body of water. It goes right up around the point there. The headwaters. And we just removed the dam that was probably there since the 1800s. For sure. And check that out. Some buddies are in there and we will cook up. We got fresh grouse for dinner and made bread. And a hot cup of tea. Only about half an hour beforehand we were down in that white water, chopping out the large stringers. You see down there, over there. Hope the water don't go up much further because we're going to lose it all. But massive amount of water moving now right down to Gander Lake. About 4 kilometers. Yesterday we were down and removed 2 other dam sites below, so we kind of worked our way up to the right to this last plug. That was a dam going right across from here to that bank there. And it was a big moment to release the plug, we'll say. So 3 of us, Frank, Father, and myself, put her back to her natural ecosystem, natural flow. So the trout and salmon and eel and everything else is a free access now from Gander Lake to this area via this tributary. And this also marks a special occasion because it's our last day of the project. Aside for a couple visits this spring, just to follow up. But yeah. 200-year-old structure. Imagine. They don't build them like they used to. So we're going to head into the little chalet now. Gilligan's Island, we're going to call that, because the water is surrounding us. I don't know for sure we're going to get rescued or not. 3 lost Indians on Joe's feeder. I'm so scared right now. Thanks for watching, guys. Good night.